Over the last few years, my students and I have sold every type of product imaginable on Etsy, from digital planners to tumblers to wedding signs, even things as obscure as dried animal parts and $15,000 tables. One category consistently has outperformed the rest. And this category happens to be the perfect category for complete beginners because it scales faster and requires less artistic talent. This category is all over pattern products. These have quietly become some of the go-to products for new sellers who are trying to reach their first $1,000, $5,000, or even $10,000 months. And today I'm going to show you why. I'll walk you through exactly what they are, why they sell, what products they work the best on, and how to make your first one even if you have no design background. What are all-over pattern products? All-over pattern products are items where the entire surface area is covered in a repeating design. So unlike a t-shirt with a centered quote or a mug with one logo on it, these products use seamless patterns that wrap around it or fill the full product. So think about it like wrapping paper that is covered edge to edge in a trendy cow print pattern, or a throw blanket that is printed with repeating dogs in different breeds. And what makes this category so powerful is that the design doesn't have to tell a story. It just has to look good. There's no need for text alignment or placing a quote on it or trying to figure out sizing issues or how much margin you should have around something, because the pattern just loops very cleanly. And that is why it is such a foolproof way for beginners to get started with digital or print on demand, because there's less for you to screw up, okay? This leads me into why this is the perfect category for beginners to sell. Number one, you don't need design skills. You can literally use AI tools like Midjourney or Nano Banana to create seamless patterns in minutes. Or you could go to Pinterest and you could search seamless pattern aesthetic and create your own mood board. The second thing here is you'll avoid common mistakes that new designers and beginners make. You're not relying on a focal point to sell the design. Patterns are much more flexible and forgiving. The third thing about patterns is they feel more premium. And this means that you can price it higher, especially for physical products like pillows, blankets, or wallpapers. And here's a little bonus tip. When you're designing all over patterns, think about trending aesthetics for this next year. We're not looking at the trends of 2025. We're not doing boho rainbows. We're not doing the groovy, wavy checkerboard. Instead, we're focusing on the trends that we're seeing a lot of now, like fish and cats, imperfect hand-drawn stripes, cow print and deer print. Some people will tell you, oh, mix the trends, combine the trends. For a more effortless, elevated look, I recommend not overlapping a bunch of trends on each other. It just looks way too chaotic where we miss the point. Now let's talk about the best-selling products to put these patterns on. The first one is wrapping paper. I had a student do wrapping paper last year. This was the only thing they were selling, and they did over $130,000 just on wrapping paper. And this is either printable wrapping paper, but more likely shipped is the way to go here. Now, the reason wrapping paper is great is because it has high repeat purchase potential. So think about holidays, weddings, birthdays, anniversaries, and once someone finds a wrapping paper supplier that they like, they will often keep coming back if you had a great experience. The second product I'd recommend is wallpaper. Now, there's a couple kinds here, peel and stick or digital. Home decor shoppers, they are looking for very boutique options. Even interior designers come to Etsy for this. And with wrapping paper, the price point is going to be higher. The margins are also going to be pretty high. The third product I'd recommend is throw blankets and pillows. And of course, this will work well with print on demand. Shoppers also love sets. So if you can bundle pillows with matching blankets with these all over patterns, it can look very cozy and intentional. The fourth product I'd recommend is shower curtains. It is a functional item and it's really easy to stand out in search results if you have a thematic pattern. The fifth product I'd recommend is playing cards. Now this is a little bit niche, but it's great for gift buyers and it's a great price point as well. So again, translate some of those trends into patterns and suddenly they're very giftable. Number 6 is phone cases and laptop skins. Tech accessories are huge impulse buys and people change these out quite often. Now, number 7 is seamless pattern files. Sell the files themselves. Designers, crafters, print-on-demand sellers, they all buy seamless pattern packs. You can create great bundles of these for a higher average order value, and this is a great digital passive income stream. Now, let's talk about how to create your first all-over pattern. First, we need to get some inspiration. Go to Pinterest, type in pattern aesthetic and a theme or a trend, and you will get flooded with information. Start pinning these to boards, analyzing colors, motifs, spacing, and then step 2 is generating or sourcing the pattern. Now you can use an AI prompt in Midjourney for seamless patterns, but make sure to use the word tileable or seamless pattern when you're doing your prompt. You could also use Creative Market or Design Bundles to buy licensed seamless pattern packs, and you can make adjustments and changes to those. You could also search pattern elements in Canva, and you can create your own patterns right in Canva. I also love using Kittle's Nano Banana feature to do this as well. And then step number 3, we're going to choose our products. Go ahead and pick 1 or 2 products to test your pattern on. I love wrapping paper or wallpaper for starting out. And then you'll choose your print-on-demand platform like Printify. It's a great one to start with, and you'll apply the pattern to those products. And then you're going to make sure to do a great mock-up. I love Kittle's Nano Banana tool for creating these mock-ups, and you can create real looking lifestyle mock-ups that look like they belong in a magazine. So show it in so many different ways, leverage all of your 20 photos, make sure you have a mix of lifestyle, close-ups, and so forth. And then you're going to optimize your Etsy listing. So keywords matter here. I recommend using words like seamless pattern and then the aesthetic of the item. It might be the trend with the product. And make sure that this reflects in all of your SEO, including your tags, and we're focused on only long tail keywords. So no short tail keywords, which are like 2 words. We want long tail keywords, which are 3 or more words. If it's not fully optimized, it doesn't get published. So all over patterns, they really are one of the best Etsy shortcuts for beginners because these will scale with trends. They're easier to make than quote-based designs or designs with a lot of text, and they allow you to enter both the physical and digital market at the same time. But patterns only work if you're choosing the right trend and really nailing the aesthetic. And that's where most sellers will fall short with patterns. So I would love for you to come over to my trend video where I actually put 36 hours into forecasting trends for next year. So check these out, take notes, and start applying those to your patterns. And if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the products that our new sellers are having the most success with, definitely subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more videos like this one.